Hey, Piper, so what is it that you're planning on playing?
Mario Kart.
And what character are you going to choose?
Don Chan.
Who are you taking on today?
Rocky.
Your arch nemesis, Rocky?
Yeah, and I will pick Rosalina.
Okay, you're going to go Rosalina? Okay, let's get this going. Let's get this party started, baby. Okay, Doc. See what this looks like right here. Yeah. Perfect. So are you supposed to hit the button, the start button?
No.
Okay, no.
She got ultimate air and
So she got a really good car?
yeah.
How come you always get so lucky, man?
Because I'm the lucky one.
You're the lucky one? How's your car look, Rocky? Is it pretty good?
Rocky, I won in that car.
She's
No?
in the back.
Well, who's in the back?
Piper.
Okay, Piper's in the back, so that means the strongest car. But Rosalina's right next to her.
Today's race brought to you by Jack Lewis.
And they're off.
Rosalina, card number 2. Comes on, great start. Card number 2. Comes on, ball. Baby girl, wire top. Completely out of control. Card number 2. Comes on, is moving up.
What are you doing?
Card number 2. Comes on, that's overwhelmed strike. Now it's trailing behind. Rosalina is catching up. Card number 1. Rosalina is gradually closing in. Card number 2. Concha has astounding speed. It's a completely solitary journey. Bowser is hit by right on top. Card number 1. Rosalina, they're not giving up yet.
There she is, Rocky. Turn it.
Card number 2. Concha is pulling away.
Look to Bomber pretty soon.
STW.
You got it, Rock. Bomber, you got anything to bomber with?
No.
No, she got nothing?
Don't get in front of her. Don't get in front. She got to shut you.
Oh, Doc told you.
Use your power.
Oh, nice one. Oh, everybody's getting knocked.
Yeah,
Piper's still up first. Go get him, Rocky.
Concha is the current leader.
Eat him up.
Having a taste of heat. Rosalina is sneaking up the lead. We're entering it final.
You're in second, Rocky. She's right in front of you.
Concha has amazing strength. Miles don't stand a chance. Concha ran over. Firecracker.
Knock that guy out. Boom. Good one.
Picked up the pace. Card number 2.
Oh, you hit her perfect.
Is hit by a golden shell.
Can you pass her up? Oh, she barely won. Oh, that was a good one. Nice one. Okay, so now it's Doc versus DL. Those are some funky pictures.
Oh yeah.
Piper. And don't remember.
Bobby, no.
Rocky, you know you're good at this.
So, what car did you choose, Doc?
I don't know, it's roulette.
Okay. No, I mean, I'm sorry, what character?
Pac-Man.
Pac-Man. And what character did you choose, Don Jack?
I think I'm gonna be in the back.
Why don't you guys choose some different cards to show some people next time?
It's roulette, so it's random.
I
Right?
mean, characters.
Oh, yeah.
Choose a different character next time. All right?
All right.
A silver Mario.
Silver Mario, Metal Mario. He's cool. This is Bowser's Factory. Okay, gotcha.
Number 2, Culture. The race is about to begin. Everyone's off to a strong start. Car number 2, Culture, is sneaking up on the leaders. Car number 2, Culture, right over.
Nice trip.
What?
Why'd you stop? I saw you were stopping a lot. That was weird.
That's weird.
Hit the speed, baby. Who are you going after? You're still in first. Heels in second.
Car number 2, Culture, is pulling away.
Heels on your heels. Neck and neck. Heel moves into the first place. Ooh, slap him. Oh, watch out, he'll throw something at you.
Okay. Oh boy.
He missed you. Oh, nice. Head to head, baby. Oh my. Woo-hoo. Turn. Come on, baby. Heel.
Culture is hit by a golden shell. Rosalina makes a perfect pass. Car number 1 is catching up.
Oh no.
Here's the last corner. Car
Oh, you got him, Doc. You got him.
close pursuit.
Moves into first place.
Take it.
Oh my gosh! The come from behind kid. Oh, neck and neck. All right,
It's okay. It's okay.
I'm gonna actually pick the girls versus each other. Piper versus Rocky. Let's do this. Okay, EL, come over here and coach Rocky, and Doc will coach. Stay right here, Doc, on this side.
No, do Toad. Yeah, Toad.
Yeah, do
Toad.
something else. Because we keep showing our viewers the same. Who did you choose, Piper?
Metal Mario.
Metal Mario.
Oh, Metal Mario. Okay. You used to choose him a lot, right, Doc?
Yeah,
How come you don't like him as much as Pac-Man?
because Pac-Man has even stats,
Yep.
statistics, while Metal Mario has low high speed and better handling.
Oh, okay. I got you. That's good. Some good tips there.
He photobombed me.
What?
He photobombed me.
He photobombed you?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see when we see your photo up there.
Three. No.
You can just look at Piper's screen.
Yes. Oh! I'm gonna be careful. It's hard. You have no acceleration and no handling. I would be careful.
her car. Nice pass, Rock.
Not yet.
For first place. Get her back. That's Piper.
No, you don't by yourself.
Head to head, Rocky and Piper. Nice turn. Good job, Rocky. First place. Get those power-ups. Okay, you threw that too early. You still got first place. That's Piper. Let's hunt her down. Piper in first. Rocky moves into first place. Oh, what a hit! You still got it, Rock. Nice turn, nice turn. Go to the finish, Rock. Get some of those power-ups. She's far behind you, Rock. You got this. Get some power-ups. Why so early? Oh! You still have a chance. Oh! Once again, Piper. All right, Rocky, you almost had it. Good driving.
I stopped.
See you guys in the next one.